I'm here at 11 Crystal Bridges, Museum of American Art, where they use many local producers. You're gonna see how Chef William does some amazing things.
My name is William McCormick. I'm the executive chef for Crystal Bridges Museum of American Art here in Bentonville, Arkansas. We're here in 11 Restaurant. That is our flagship restaurant of Crystal Bridges. The item that I prepared today is a locally sourced lamb, a grilled rack of lamb. We will start by seasoning this. We're gonna mix our garlic. And I just kind of eyeball this stuff, right? There's no right or wrong. It's just kind of what makes sense to you and what's fresh and delicious. We have some beautiful rosemary right now, as well as some thyme. There's some chive in here, a little of the Aleppo pepper, and then of course that delicious olive oil. We're gonna give this a stir and just make a nice little beautiful rub. Now we're gonna season this lamb. So what I like to do is take all this delicious flavor and really rub it on the meat. Everything completely coated. We wanna make sure it's even across the board so each bite is just as delicious as the last. And last thing before we put this in the bag, we're gonna season it with just a little pepper. No salt, because we don't want to draw out all the moisture while it's cooking in the bag. So now that our meat's marinated, we're going to slide it into the bag. And now we are going to seal it. As you can see, we've sealed our rack of lamb. It's nicely covered. And from here, you can let this sit overnight, even up to 2 or 3 days, and it's just going to continue to marinate. So we're going to walk over to our circulator that we have set at 125 degrees. And we're just gonna let it go for a nice little soak. This is a gentle cooking method. It's gonna relax those meats. It's gonna cook nice and slow, nice and even. Now that our lamb has been in the circulator tank for about an hour and a half, we're gonna remove it from the bag, and we're gonna proceed to season this meat. I love a few more sprinkles of herb, that beautiful Aleppo pepper that I was talking about, and of course salt. So we say highly seasoned. What we really mean is seasoned from high up. So whenever that salt falls, you get a nice even coating over all of the meat. This meat, since it's so well marbled, it has a lot of intramuscular fat. So as you're cooking it, those delicious flavors are gonna come out during the cooking process, they're gonna drop down, they're gonna flare up, and you will get this really delicious natural smoking effect from the grill. After your meat is cooked, you wanna give it some time to rest. So whenever you make that initial slice, it is just like butter.
All right, brother, it is so nice to have somebody else that is supporting local, and all the things y'all are doing here is incredible.
Absolutely. We pride ourselves on utilizing as many local connections as we can. We really want to make sure that we're benefiting the community that we serve, and we're so proud of our little home region here.
Thanks again, brother.
Thank you. Appreciate it.